Okay, hey, so it is me trying to make slime with my sister. Okay, anyway, she doesn't want to be in. So what you will need is a bowl, something to mix with, a spoon, some body wash, and some toothpaste. So let's get started. Okay, so now here I am pouring in some toothpaste. It's not coming out. Okay, there's my toothpaste. Here I am pouring some of my body wash. You don't need too much, but if you add too much, then you'll just have to add more toothpaste and mix. Okay, it's starting to get goopy. Okay, so there is your slime. Mine's pink because I have pink toothpaste. It does not stick. See? Okay. See, there is my slime. So, like I said, it does not stick. So, that is your slime. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Also, she was my helper. She was pouring it. So, yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.